What's up? Sean just pulled up here with the Corvette. You're not gonna believe what we're gonna do to this thing. Hey, we been to the track on the 4-link setup yet?
Nope. What do I decide to do first?
Hit the slopes.
gotta go catch some black skunk. What do they call that?
Black diamonds.
Black diamonds. Yeah, gotta go get black diamonds.
There's a place in Longview called Black Diamonds.
That's a different type of black diamond.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
I think it's cool.
It is crazy. So we're putting tracks on the back of Sean's Corvette, and I've already built some skis. They're kind of rough looking, but it's kind of last minute stuff. That's what we're doing tonight. We're gonna put the right there skis there, or tracks there, and skis over here somewhere.
That's the other side.
Yo.
This thing is taller than the fence.
That's insane.
Holy cow.
Oh man, I thought
Look how it rolls. That is insane.
those are gonna look so good on a '69 Camaro.
And you can rock them. I don't give a shit. That's fine. So they're multi-lug.
Yeah.
Jeep or Chevy. Yeah, they're 4 on 475 or on 4 on 450. Oh no, 5 on 475 or 5 on 450 bolt pattern.
Nice.
Either one. Anybody out there with a Fox Body Mustang, you want to run me, go get you a set of American truck tracks. Catch me on the ice. How about that?
Yeah. Working on getting the hub adapter fitted up. Got to drill it out a little bit. It's got 5/8 stud because race car. This has been my contribution to the project right here. Cut here. TJ be proud of that. We got the front up here. We got to wait we need to get the hubs done so we can sit it down on that so we can do some more measurements. We started taking some measurements, and then Sean realized the back wasn't setting right. So once we do that, we'll be able to cut and fold this top piece down. And we have a wheel spacer made out of metal. We're gonna weld it to it straight up, and it's gonna be it.
Yep, we're just gonna turn that rocker a little bit. Man, I think we're in business. We don't need fenders anymore. Instead of cutting with a K,
Cut it with a lowercase c.
cut it with a lowercase c. It's gonna be perfect. Actually, not even lying. We've got a chunk back here. So, do what?
Go up and roll it back.
Well, I think the main thing right now, we could actually move the rear end back because we have a little bit right here. So we can move the rear end back, and then we can cut the corner off of this. I'm not gonna care. Nobody's gonna know. It's not like anybody's ever gonna see this on the internet. So should be all right. All right. Now we move the shit out of it.
I'm scared of these bottoms. These bottoms.
Are those red bottoms?
Not red bottoms, they're boat bottoms.
Are they Valenciagis? What is that? Is that a thing?
Oh, okay, this is not working.
All right, so what are we doing? Squaring the rear end. We done gave it a lift kit.
Gave it a lift kit, 4-inch lift kit.
So we only have to ut here instead of cut here.
I
don't know. It has
And
Yeah.
we're now adjusting this beautiful 4-link that your man behind the camera has made. And this thing is actually...
I think I was in there with my lip hanging. Nope, I didn't want to be in there.
Put it in there. Raise it up a little bit. Oh, never mind. Alright. Sit down here.
Down?
Yeah. A little bit. Alright. Go take the car out here. Actually, yeah, that's a better idea. Go to the other side. Come down a little bit, Taylor. Alright. I just did that. I really just did that.
They should cut a little bit more, right?
Huh?
They should cut a little bit more.
Yeah, I definitely probably should have cut more off. But I'm just doing what I got to right now. Damn it.
Hey, Richard's like,
Wow.
damn, bud.
The previous owner of this car, his name's Richard. Y'all seen him on here before. He's gonna watch this video and just be cringing, be pissed off. Look, bud, we're gonna get some new rocker panels when we get back, alright? At least we ain't gotta get new fenders. Yet. But y'all already know if I did or not. Y'all are either laughing or y'all like, yeah, Sean, you did good. You didn't fuck anything up.
So I thought about it. When I was a young man, I couldn't give up the lift.
Damn.
Ooh.
Oh.
Speed is key, remember?
You're right. Wood blade is not.
As best they can for cutting the rocker panel off a C6 Corvette.
Yeah. It really doesn't look bad though.
No.
like you just hit a nice, weirdly angled pop in the rear. Oh wait. Do you want to actually? We don't.
Oh, it's not bolted down.
Yeah, this we gotta put the hub on it.
Look at this. This is a fucking monster. This is a fucking monster. Oh my god. Jeez.
Dude.
This is literally this is probably about to be the biggest meme on the internet. Like, this is literally about to be that.
Jesus.
Oh my god.
That's dope, man. Oh my god. Like you can see like the whole 4-link and everything when you get down.
Oh man.
This thing's like it looks like just like a tank. Like
That's the picture right there.
that's crazy, man.
Hey Sean, how's it feel finally having them on?
Dude, it's better than what I imagined it.
Is it like Christmas in March?
It's better than Christmas in March.
So, is this the start of Taylor's insane track systems? It'll still be tits.
Sean's suicidal ideas.
Yeah.
Jeez. Do you know how bad I want to post this on my Snapchat right now? Holy cow. This is insane.
Like, and I haven't even really shown any video of the
Yeah.
turbo kit on my channel either. I built a tank. I did a video of it.
Taylor did all this stuff right here. So this whole turbo kit, fuel tank, all this custom fab work right here. Taylor did every bit of that. Get a close up of that. All this. All this beautiful work. He built those headers.
Billet flanges, billet collectors.
He is the man.
Somebody's gonna see all this bling and point out the 862 head.
Dude, if we got those skis up under the car nuts somehow, we could pull this thing in a trailer.
Came to her, she came to me. Caught up in a hit and run catastrophe. She said, "See ya." Don't wanna be. See ya. I got to unwind, get it off my chest. Press rewind on my VHS. I came to her, she came to me. Caught up in a hit and run, just wait and say. She said, "See ya." Don't wanna be there. See ya. She said, "See ya." Only time will tell when I'm through hell. Only time will tell when I'm through hell. Tossed and turned nearly all night long. Listen, learn, think I win this song. 'Cause I came to her, she came to me. Caught up in a hit and run catastrophe. She said, "See ya." Don't wanna be
All right, so we're on the last day of the Corvette, hopefully. And I'm fixing to do Sean like he does me. Hey, shut up back here while I'm filming. But all we got to do now is cut some little grooves on these right here, little edge. We just got done one of the limiter braces on. Keep them from rocking too much. Dumb and Dumber's doing this side. I mean, Sean and Keaton, my bad. My bad. Take two. Are you ready for a good ass thumbnail? I got a question. How much insurance you got on this car?
Well, that's a good ass question. You know why that's a good question? I ain't got none. Stuff I do for you guys. Well, there's wing more clearance. Ain't a whole lot, but at least it ain't touching the track now.
Gonna get the saws all out? You know, it wasn't that much. It
wasn't that bad. Like when it was sitting on the ground the last time, we had a lot more clearance than that.
Is it sitting down? Yeah.
It's on the ground. I mean, obviously you're going to lose a little fender flares, but I mean, who really cares about fender flares at this point?
Hey, Sean.
You what?
Regular Corvette? Snow Corvette. Race mode, snow mode.
This thing is going to be.
I'm good.
This mine?
No, that's mine for yesterday.
Oh, we definitely don't want that. That's sick ass. We've been out here working. Taylor's sick as hell. So make sure y'all go follow Taylor's channel because he literally has been working his ass off, running a fever for me and for you guys and for the love of all this and wanting to see it actually come true. So click up there. Make sure you go follow Taylor's channel because he's the freaking man. And this wouldn't be possible without him. Dude, this thing is so hot. Drop it with me. Dude, this thing is like, I feel like I'm in a truck now.
Would you stall it out? So for the most part, the ski and track install was a success. To see it in action, you're gonna have to go check out Sean's channel. And he's making one more coilover and shock adjustment before
I have to cut everything.
he has to cut everything. So we're trying to avoid cutting anymore. So this thing is such a mint condition, pristine, all original Corvette. We don't want to hurt it by cutting the rockers or anything like that.
You said all original?
Yeah. Unmolested. That's what the classic car guys call unmolested.
Unmolested.
Yeah.
Yeah, unmolested. We got a 4-link welded to it and a Megan mount.
Yeah. Yeah.
Welded straight to the frame.
This thing's been molested as much as a $20 Sprague Street prostitute. But anyway, so this may be the last time I see the car because he's leaving to go to Colorado. It may be the last time I see it in person in one piece.
Hey, don't put that on me, Ricky Bobby.
Hold on, let me find some wood here. So this is going to be my little outro on it because he may come get it while I'm not at home tomorrow. So take one good last look at it. There it is. We'll see y'all on the next one.